Plays here, and today we're going to be doing part 2 of Euro Truck. Right now we are just out of Amsterdam, and we are going to be heading over there. So let's go. It's gonna be a little glitchy. Who cares? Here we go. We just got off the ferry. If you were watching, actually the other one we didn't just get off. I had to end the video earlier because 15 minutes for me, which is kind of sad. And we just need to figure out how to go there. We have two ways, but we're gonna take the shorter one. Looks like we just need to turn left, left, and left. Okay, so we just need to take the way to Amsterdam. We'll just follow whatever signs we need to. Let's go. Hopefully this video is under 10 minutes, because I hate when videos are over that. I just feel they feel so long. I didn't just post one like an hour ago. Maybe a little bit more than an hour. I don't know. Okay, signal that we're turning right. And this is the right side of the road because we're in Europe. I don't know why, but I don't know why it's really on the right. But who cares? Whoa, what just hit me? Guys, did you see that? Oh, are you kidding me? It was a car. Wow. This car hit me really hard. Well, that's a stupid AI. How did you not even see me coming? Besides, this is the right place we drive on. It's right on the right side of the road. Oh my god. Oh gosh, I don't think we're gonna make it out of here in 15 minutes. Ooh. Did you guys know if you play something backwards, if you say, ooh, Yusuf Turkey fry backwards, it says happy birthday. It's faintly like happy birthday to you. Kind of interesting. People can go around these things in the truck. Okay, stay on the right side of the road, so I don't really know why. We're heading down. We're heading to Amsterdam. Guys, which way should we choose? If you said I should have chose the go left, I mean right, you guys are correct. But I'm following the thing. We're going, and oh gosh. We're going, and no cars. Or at least I see. I don't know. 2:16 at night. It's a little sad. I don't like it when it's nighttime. It's super annoying. Speed limit's 90. About 90. Let's just do this. No, okay. Oh, that's better. We just have a map. 37 kilometers and 36 minutes. So we're expected to get there 12:53 or 54. I'm not gonna do the advanced parking. I'm just gonna end it because it's too hard to do when it's super glitchy. Oh gosh, the dreaded tunnels is always annoying. My lights, yeah, they're on. Okay, my truck is sliding. That's weird, I was like glitching out. Okay, we're almost out of towns. I'm gonna slow down a little bit because this is a sharp turn. I didn't even slow down one. I actually went up. I went up in speed. Here we go. Bruh, I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't really want to know. Here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh, that's not good. I can't believe it's already February. It feels like it's February. It just feels like February is always the shortest month. Well, when I say that now, it actually is the shortest month. It's kind of interesting, so it's my favorite, and also, I don't know why, but like, feels like this month is just like such an interesting month, because if you look up on YouTube like why is February so short, or yeah, maybe first you should maybe look up my YouTube channel, and if you're watching, hi. Ooh. Oh, that was a bad turn. Actually, not a bad turn, but that was a good turn. You know, one of my friends likes to watch my videos, so you should shout out to Volcanic Bomb and Frosty Nova. They're some of my friends, and you should check their channels out. They haven't even uploaded in a while. Like, one of my friends had uploaded last, like, summer. So, that's a long time ago, and I even have more subscribers than both of them. Maybe that's just because I post better videos, but I don't know. Don't comment on their videos and tell them I said that. So, you can slowly start to see the ending where we need to go. We're not even on the highway yet, onto this one. There it is, Amsterdam. It'd be kind of cool to go here. Definitely So I always wondered how these games are with real life. Merging. Okay. Just gonna merge over one. Right there. I didn't even do it. I'm staying in the middle. Should be getting close there. Yep, we're almost there. Amsterdam. Kind of interesting how Amsterdam just like in the middle of the spot, but then the real city's over here. Lots of factories also, so. What's that, 100? Well, that's not for me. Yeah. Amsterdam discovered. I'm not even there yet. Oh man, we're in the glitchiest line I've ever been in. Let's hope we make it out here without crashing into that car right in front of us. Just gonna put my beacons on. Just gonna put these on this to tell people I'm here and I'm ready to merge anytime. Okay, slow down. Get ready to exit off in a minute. Ooh, 50. Wow. That's like me slamming on the brakes. Looks like we need to turn here. Let's see if we can make it. If it turns red, that would be bad. Please don't turn red. Please, 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 please. Yes, let's get into it. Here's the hardest part. Turning. Slow down. Oh gosh, I got a feeling we're gonna hit that thing. No. Now we're actually into the city, mostly. We're gonna need to turn right. So, right at a red light. So we're almost right there. We're doing good. Damage. Out of one run this red light, I've already gotten like 5 of those. I've gotten like 2. Not 2? Yeah, 2. I'll stop right here. Stop. There's another car right there. Any day now. Wait a minute, the last time I'm gonna be in this kind of truck. There we go. You could have waited too. Well, never mind. It was fine. The whole entire time. Stokes. And this is 0 goodies. So, nothing in common. Last turn. Here we go. On this long journey. Glitchy journey. Oh, there's a Daft dealer. Cool. It's not scales, they're so hard to find. Okay, break. Come in. And oh gosh, are you kidding? Okay, stop. Okay, now we need to click the confirm button. There we go. We did it. 110 XP, that just get us nothing. Okay, I will see you guys on the next video. Maybe same thing like this, so goodbye.